Installation of the vessel or silo. Use dummy load cells during installation. Avoid mechanical damage or overload. Lower silo onto load cell assemblies. Inspect the installation. Silos must be vertical. Vessels and load cell assemblies must be level within plus or minus 0.5 degrees. Connect the assembly to the vessel and ground spreader plate with 8 M20 fasteners. Complete all welding work and initial levelling work. When the vessel is empty, wind the lift-off protection bolts down to touch the vessel's skirt, then back one turn and lock off. Replacing a load cell. If fitted to your silo and, if necessary, back off anti-lift off nuts around the silo skirt to enable the silo to be lifted. Jack up silo at a suitable jacking point until the 3 load pins in the assembly can be rotated. Ensure the silo is safely supported before removing the load pins. The 4 M20 jacking bolts can be wound down from the assembly top plate to contact the lugs on the base plate to add additional support. Do not use these bolts to lift the silo or as a levelling aid. Remove split pins, washers and load pins. Ensure the silo is safely supported before removing the load pins. Record the location of each pin prior to removal. Slide out the existing load cell. Slide in the new load cell. Grease all 3 loading pins using high pressure grease and refit in the same locations. Refit washers and split pins. Ensure the new load cell is central in the loading assembly and not touching the lugs. Wind up the M20 jacking bolts. Gently lower the silo down and tighten anti-lift-off nuts, allowing 1.2 mm movement when the silo is empty. This must not interfere with the loading assembly top plate.